Good day. My name is Suzanne Smith, and I'm here today to tell you about a very exciting workshop that we will be hosting. Every child matters and matters equally. A workshop for teachers on inclusive education. It's going to be fun. It's going to be brilliant. It's going to empower you. You need to come. The overall rationale of this workshop is to deepen teachers' understanding and practice of inclusive education in South Africa. This is such a vital thing for our education system in South Africa, and we need teachers to understand this concept and to understand how to practice inclusive education in their classrooms. What will we present at this workshop? What will we look at? Our overarching theme is to see what inclusive education is. We're going to start at the place where we are at. Knowledge is power. We're going to start and see what we know. What do we already know about inclusive education? How do we already implement this? And we're also going to see and look where the gaps are for us. What don't we know? What are our blind spots that we might not even be aware of at this stage? From there, once we've done that, we're going to move on to the three P's in inclusive education. And what are the three P's? It's policy, philosophy, and principles on inclusive education. You are going to get a lot of information on this. You will be knowledgeable after this. You will be able to explain and have a good understanding of where inclusive education came from. You will hear about the Salamanca Statement. You will hear about Education White Paper 6. You will hear names like Dewey in the presentation and on the workshop on the day. The last thing that we're going to look at is the incredible story of inclusive education in South Africa and your role in this story. The teacher plays a very vital role in the story of inclusive education. Without the teacher, there is no inclusive education. We are going to see where you fit into this picture and what your very specific and unique role in this journey is. Who should attend this workshop? If you are a teacher that see yourself as a lifelong learner, this workshop is for you. If you are a teacher who just wants to innovate and see new things happening in education in South Africa and specifically in inclusive education, this workshop is for you. Teachers who wants to build a lasting legacy in education. Long after you're gone, we want to see that legacy and you want to know that what you have started is still continuing in inclusive education in South Africa. If that is you, you are the one that should attend this workshop. Remember, teachers, you are the change that education in South Africa so desperately needs. Come and expand your knowledge. Come and deepen your understanding. And come see your place in inclusive education in South Africa. Remember, education needs you. We cannot do this without you. Come and be empowered. Go back to the classroom. Go and innovate. And go share your knowledge. Become a lifelong learner and see what can happen for you. I hope to see you there.